Hi, I'm Martina from Vets4Pets Cirencester. In this video we are looking at kennel cough in dogs. What is kennel cough? How can you tell if your dog has it? And what should you do if you suspect kennel cough? How can you prevent it in the first place? Kennel cough is an infectious disease. It is a respiratory infection that can be caused by a number of different bacteria and viruses. This infection causes a nasty cough in your dog and can make them unwell for several weeks. Kennel cough is very contagious too. It spreads quickly and is easy to pick up from toys, food bowls, or just being around an infected dog. In the most serious cases, complications such as pneumonia can arise. So although it's not usually serious, kennel cough should always be treated. Look out for your dog making a forceful hacking cough. This may also sound like retching or as if your dog is trying to clear something stuck in his throat. If the coughing persists, this could well be kennel cough, which can last for several weeks. Kennel cough can go away on its own if your dog's immune system is able to fight off the condition. But during this time, your dog can still pose an infection risk to others. And the longer the cough persists, the bigger the risk of more serious complications. So, at the first signs of coughing, it's best to get your dog checked out by your vet. Unfortunately, having kennel cough once does not make a dog immune in the future. This means you always need to be on the lookout for it. If you suspect kennel cough, your vet will be able to diagnose it and can give your dog prescription medication to help them recover. You can minimize the chance of your dog catching kennel cough in the first place by having them vaccinated. This vaccination is given by a squirt up the nose, not a jab. Vaccination can never completely prevent kennel cough, but if your dog does pick up the bug despite being vaccinated, the signs are usually much milder than they would otherwise be and recovery time is shorter. It is important to note that the yearly booster injection does not protect against kennel cough, so you will need to make sure to get this nasal vaccination for your dog as well as their standard annual vaccination. They can be done at the same time, so you don't have to make an extra trip. And remember, if you ever need more help or support, just come and see us at your local Vets4Pets practice. You can subscribe to the Vets4Pets YouTube channel for regular updates and visit the advice pages on our website to find out more or visit your local practice.